Hello everybody and welcome back to Jesse's Barbershop. My name is Jesse, and in this video we're going to be going over clarifying shampoos and why they might be something that you want to start using for your hair at home. Alright, so you're probably aware that there are tons of different types of shampoo options that are available to you, like volumizing shampoos, color preserving shampoos, dandruff shampoos, etc. Among those options are what are known as clarifying shampoos. Now, all shampoos are meant to cleanse your hair, but clarifying shampoos are formulated to take a more aggressive approach to removing buildup that can collect in your hair over time. Now, things like dirt and natural oils that are in your hair can typically be addressed by using a regular shampoo. But when it comes to long-term buildup, like the silicones that are found in products and the natural minerals that are found in your water, like potassium, calcium, magnesium, regularly formulated shampoos are oftentimes not enough to deal with that. And that's where clarifying shampoo comes in. If you use any hair product at all, including most shampoos and conditioners, unfortunately, there's a good chance that you have an excess buildup in your hair. In fact, I'm going to throw up a video of me scraping this buildup off of the hair of one of my clients. I know this might look scary, but it's actually incredibly common to have this type of buildup in your hair. In this case, it was most likely the low quality shampoo and conditioner he was using, as well as the minerals from the naturally sourced water that we have in our area. Super common. Now, how much buildup you're going to have in your hair is going to be dependent upon what you're putting into your hair, of course, and what's present in your tap water in your area. But this issue is exactly what clarifying shampoos are designed to do. So, how do you use it? The typical recommendation for using clarifying shampoos is once a week alongside your regular hydrating shampoo or whatever you're using the other 6 days. Now, this is correct and exactly what I'd recommend, but what you should consider is that depending on how much buildup you have and what type of buildup, you may not see results after the first use of a clarifying shampoo. This is because while clarifying shampoos are formulated to be more aggressive in order to tackle this long-term buildup, it's important that these shampoos don't cause damage by being too aggressive. And this is why it's important when you're using a clarifying shampoo that you go with a reputable salon quality product line, because those are way less likely to cause unnecessary damage due to higher quality ingredients and more sophisticated formulations. Now, this isn't an ad, this is just what I use personally, but I use Orbe's The Cleanse. Super expensive, but with a clarifying shampoo, I knew I was going to be using it only once a week anyway, so I wasn't really afraid to go for the higher end stuff. Because when you're dealing with something that is supposed to take an aggressive approach to your hair, you want to make sure that you're using something of high quality. So like I said, it doesn't do anything that it shouldn't be doing while it's doing the thing that it should be doing. But anyways, the real benefit of a clarifying shampoo is the consistent use of it over time. Let me explain. Think about it this way. If you use a clarifying shampoo once a year, that's 364 days that silicones from products and minerals can build up in your hair. So when you do use your clarifying shampoo, that's a year's worth of buildup that this stuff has to cut through. And like I mentioned earlier, the detergent strength needed to do that would destroy your hair, which is why that's not the case with this stuff. Now, if you consistently use your clarifying shampoo once a week for an entire year, these minerals and silicones will only have 6 days at a time to build up in your hair before being removed by the clarifying shampoo, which is the way that these clarifying shampoos are formulated, because it's much safer and easier to manage this buildup in smaller chunks, which is why you do it once a week rather than super infrequently like once a year. You see what I'm saying? Just like so many other things in the hairstyling world, it isn't just a matter of purchasing it and putting it in your hair and expecting it to solve all your problems. It's important to understand why certain products do what they do so that you can start really focusing on implementing them in ways that make the most out of the product. And when it comes to shampoos and conditioners, because it's not like a styling product, people assume that there's not much to it, but it does get pretty in depth. So if buildup in your hair is something that you've experienced or are concerned about experiencing, consider looking into ways to fit a clarifying shampoo into your regimen. I'd highly recommend it. I do it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and before I go, big shout out to the guys in the Discord chat. I appreciate you guys keeping that going. It's been really good. I've seen some great conversations, and I've got some exciting stuff coming up, and of course, you guys are going to be the first to know. So if you haven't joined the Discord community already, it's going to be the first link in the description, or maybe like third. I don't know. It's somewhere down there. There's an exclamation point beside it. It's completely free, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit that link. We'd love to have you. So do go and check that out, guys. I hope this video helped, and we'll hopefully see you in the next video.